You love your cat. You really do. But some of the things you do every day are quietly stressing them, confusing them, even hurting their health over time. And the hardest part is, they won't tell you. Let's walk through 17 common habits, gently, clearly, so you can spot what matters and make small changes that truly help your cat feel safe again. Number 1, kissing your cat on the nose. It feels sweet to you, but to your cat, it's overwhelming. Their nose is incredibly sensitive. Every smell from your breath, coffee, toothpaste, food, hits all at once. And when a face comes close, instinct says possible danger. So when they turn away, they're not rejecting you. They're protecting themselves. A slow blink, a gentle chin scratch. That's how a cat feels love. This is one of the most common misunderstandings, and it slowly changes how your cat sees you. Number 2, waking your cat for attention. They look so peaceful, you just want a moment. But sleep is not extra time for cats. It's essential. They need long, deep cycles for healing, immunity, and emotional balance. When we interrupt that again and again, it adds up. An overtired cat becomes irritable, sometimes distant, sometimes even aggressive. Let them wake up on their own. They will come to you when they're ready. Number 3, yelling when they do something wrong. It feels natural. Something breaks or there's a mess, but cats don't connect your anger to what they did, even seconds later. They only learn one thing. You are unpredictable, and that fear stays. Over time, yelling doesn't fix behavior, it damages trust. A quieter home with clear boundaries teaches far more than raised voices ever will. Number 4, picking them up when they don't want it. You reach down, they squirm, you hold tighter, but in their body, this feels like being caught, like a predator. Each time this happens, your hands become something to avoid, and slowly they stop coming close. Some cats enjoy being held, but it must be their choice. This one quietly shapes your entire relationship. 5, leaving the TV on when you're away. It seems comforting, like company, but to a cat it's flicker, sudden noise, strange shifting sounds. Their hearing is far sharper than ours. What feels like background noise to you can feel like constant disturbance to them. Silence is calming, or soft, steady sound made for cats. Peace matters more than entertainment. Number 6, using a spray bottle for discipline. It may stop the behavior in the moment, but it teaches the wrong lesson. Not this is wrong, but you are unsafe. They'll simply wait until you're gone and do it anyway. And sometimes it creates fear around water itself, even drinking. Better to change the environment, not punish the cat. Number 7, feeding immediately after waking up. This one surprises many people. If your cat learns you wake up equals I get food, they will start waking you up earlier and earlier and earlier, and they will not stop. A small shift helps. Wait a little before feeding, or use an automatic feeder. This breaks the pattern gently and gives you your mornings back. Number 8, playing with your hands. It starts cute, tiny teeth, soft bites, but you are teaching them hands are prey. As they grow, the bites don't stay soft, and later it's hard to undo. Use toys instead, always. And if they grab your hand, be still. Movement excites the hunt. Number 9, placing food near the litter box. Cats will tolerate this, but they don't like it. In the wild, they never eat near waste. It's instinct. Even if you can't smell anything, they can. And it affects how much they eat and drink. Over time, this can lead to bigger health problems. Space matters more than we think. Number 10, touching the belly without permission. The belly is not an invitation, it's trust. When a cat shows their belly, they're saying, "I feel safe." If we reach in and they react, we've misunderstood the moment. Most cats prefer the head, cheeks, or chin. Respecting that trust keeps it. Core problem: small daily choices that quietly affect health. Number 11. Ignoring behavior changes. A quieter cat, less appetite, hiding more. These are not small things. Cats hide discomfort very well, so when you notice a change, it matters. Early attention can make all the difference. Many serious issues begin with very small signs.
12. Using essential oils at home. They smell pleasant to us, but for cats, many oils are toxic. They can't process them well, and even small exposure builds up over time. It's not always obvious right away. That's what makes it dangerous. Fresh air is safer. Simple is better. 13. Leaving windows open without protection. It only takes one moment. A bird, a sound, a sudden movement. Cats don't always judge distance correctly, and falls happen more often than people expect. Screens made for cats, or secure barriers, are a quiet kind of love. 14. Using covered litter boxes to hide smell. It seems like a neat solution, but inside, odors become concentrated. For your cat, that space can feel uncomfortable, even stressful. Some will start avoiding it, and then the problem moves elsewhere. Open, clean, and simple works better. 15. Punishing marking without understanding why. Marking is not revenge. It's communication. Stress, illness, change. Punishment increases stress, which increases the marking. A cycle begins. The reason always comes first. The behavior comes second. 16. Cutting whiskers. Whiskers are not just hair. They help your cat understand space, movement, and distance. Without them, the world becomes confusing, even frightening. They will grow back, but the experience is deeply unsettling. 17. Giving milk regularly. It feels traditional, comforting, but most adult cats can't digest milk well. It often leads to stomach upset, even if they enjoy the taste. Water is what they truly need. Simple, steady care over treats that seem kind. Once, I knew a quiet, older cat who stopped sitting close to her owner. No one knew why at first. It turned out it was just one small habit, being picked up too often when she didn't want it. Once that stopped, she came back, slowly, gently, and one evening she curled up beside him again. Sometimes it's not big changes, it's small understandings. If you've noticed a change in your cat lately, or something here felt familiar, tell me about it in the comments. Your story might help someone else, and their cat too.